WooCommerce Single Product Import and Export from Edit View, WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll see how to export and import a single WooCommerce product directly from the Create or Edit view, without using the plugin interface. Here, you can see that I have some WooCommerce products on my local site. To use the Single Product Import-Export feature, you need to install the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin in your WordPress dashboard. Now, open the Product and Edit view to start the export process. Here, you can see the Import-Export widget. To export the product data, switch to the Export tab and click the Export CSV button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to save the file with a name. Enter a name and click Save to download the file to your device. The file is now saved. Let's open and view it. You can see that all the product details have been exported. One important thing to note, when using this file for import, do not change the header values. The plugin relies on this header format to process the import accurately. Any changes in the header names may affect your import process. Since my media link is from a local host, I am replacing it with a publicly accessible website media link. Now, I save the file and proceed with the import. Go to the WordPress dashboard where you want to import the product and navigate to Products. Here, you can see that I already have some products. I'm going to delete this draft product first. You can import the product from either the Edit view of an existing product or the Add New Product view. Since we are in the Import section, click the Choose File button and upload your import file. Select the file and click Open. Once the upload is successful, click the Upload Import button to start the import process. Once the import is complete, you'll see a clear button and a message displaying the inserted post ID. Click the Click Here link to view the newly imported product. You can see that all the values have been successfully imported. We hope you liked this individual product export from the Edit View feature in WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Share your feedback with us at support@smackcoders.com or in the comments below. Thanks for watching the tutorial.